Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll create a basic single blog post template using Bricks Builder. Showing you kind of the essential elements for building out your single blog post template. So let's get started. But before we do, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on using WordPress page builders. So what is the single blog post template? So quite simply, it's the uniform layout for your individual blog posts. When you're reading a single blog post, the layout that it is wrapped in is the single blog post template. So in this tutorial, we'll show you how to customize yours specifically with Bricks Builder. So accessing Bricks templates. First, open Bricks and navigate to the template section. You'll typically find this in the sidebar menu or toolbar. Click on the Add New button to start creating a new template. Okay, the title and template type. Give your template a title that reflects its purpose or content. Then from the template type option, select single. This indicates that you're creating a template for individual posts or pages. So before diving into editing, you have the choice to either save your template as a draft for further modification or publish it immediately. Choose whichever option suits your workflow. Now, enter in Bricks Editor. Once you've made your selection, click on Edit with Bricks to enter the Bricks Editor interface. This is where the actual design and customization process takes place. Now, let's get to adding sections and elements. Begin by adding a section to your layout. Sections are containers. They're the wireframe for your layout. Sections are containers inside your layout. They hold various elements. Inside a section, you could actually add a container before you add elements to it. We actually have a video of Brick Builder's layout hierarchy. So if you want to check it out, just check it out in our channel. Anyway, within the section, add the post title element. You could adjust this width and alignment to fit your design preferences. Background customization. So if you desire, you could add a background color, image, or video to enhance the visual appeal of your template. This step is optional, of course, but you could add depth and personality to your design. Like the old MySpace days for people that are old enough to remember that. Now, let's go back to Elements panel and add the post content element within the section you previously created. The post content is what's going to query the posts, each individual post dynamically. So without this post content element in your single post template, none of your blog posts will show up. So this is the most important and the most essential element in your single blog post template. Okay, if you made it this far and like the video, please give it a thumbs up so this video can reach more people. It'll really help us and help this channel grow. Now on to typography and styling. So fine-tune the appearance of your post content by adjusting typography, spacing, and alignment. You can also experiment with different color schemes to match your branding or enhance readability. Now, metadata and author details. Below the post title, anywhere below the post title could be under the post content you want. Add the metadata element and author information. Ensure that these elements are aligned and spaced appropriately to maintain visual consistency. It's really according to you where you want to put it. Now, social sharing integration, right? You should definitely have this social sharing element in your template. It allows you to further extend the reach of your content. So because it lets your users and readers easily share your content across multiple social media platforms. Just go ahead and choose which social media platforms you want to enable. Another element you might want to add is the related posts element. This allows your readers to navigate to another post that's related to the current post they are reading. Now, this could be filtered through whatever you want through similar tags, similar categories, or just similar authors. And so you actually go ahead and play with these numerous options in there to how to set up and refine your related posts element. Okay, now another element that you might want to add, although you're playing with fire, is the comments element. So if you want to enable comments in your posts, you can add it at the end of your posts. Again, I'm going to tell you this: if you enable comments, please have spam protection turned on because there will be a lot of spam coming your way. So just know what you're dealing with when you want to add comments in your single blog post template. You could also actually filter down the amount of spam you get by allowing only login users to post comments. If you do that in the conditions tab in the comments element. Okay, so now content population. So now that you've set up your template how you like, it's time to populate with some sample content, right? So access the template settings and navigate to the populate content option. Here, choose a single post or page as a content type. Select the specific post you want to display in this template, then apply changes. This will show you what it looks like with the sample content. Um, and then once you see what it looks like with sample content, you could refine it to your liking, take out elements or put in elements, adjust the alignment, adjust the design, adjust the look and polish of your template, and see how it looks across different devices. Then, if you're fine with everything, it's time to publish it. Uh, so before we go, I want to talk a little more about the conditional settings with Brits Builders. So you can actually have multiple single blog post templates, and you can set the condition to show one template or one layout for a tag, a certain tag or a certain category, and another template for another category or whatever taxonomy that you determine. So that's a pretty cool feature in Bricks and some of the other page builders. So if you have in mind that you want several different layouts for your single blog post template, that's something you could explore. Um, well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in building your single blog post template with Brits Builder. Remember, the more you explore and experiment with customization, the more unique and tailored your template can come. If you haven't yet, just give us a thumbs up, but click the bell and click subscribe so you get more of a content and more of a content can reach more people. Okay. Thank you. Bye.